How to make Audacity audio more professional and better. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. So there's a few different things we're going to want to go ahead and do. So firstly, we're going to go ahead and open up Audacity like so. And we'll just go ahead and download some, we'll just have some random, footage and stuff. But the first thing we want to do is when we start pressing record, don't say anything for about 3 seconds. After those 3 to 5 seconds, then you can say whatever you want. So we'll just do something like this. Now, the first thing we're going to do is strip out any background noise. So the blank area where there's nothing being said, go ahead and highlight that. Then go to Effect, go to Noise Removal and Repair, then go to Noise Reduction. Then press Get Noise Profile, and it's going to get the profile. Then press Ctrl and A to highlight everything. Go to Effect again, go back to Noise Removal and Repair, go to Noise Reduction, and then press OK. Now it's going to basically remove any background noise you had without distorting your voice or anything. Now we're going to equalize. So we're going to go to Effect, and then we're going to go to EQ and Filters, and then Filter Curve EQ like so, but you got to make sure you've got your thing highlighted. So we're going to go back there, Filter Curve EQ, and then from here, we want to click Presets and Settings at the top left, and then we want to go ahead and do Bass Boost. So we're going to go to Factory Presets, Bass Boost like so, and another one we're going to do is go back to that same place, so EQ and Filters, and we're also going to go ahead and do a treble boost as well. And then that should definitely help. So if you go to that, just go to treble boost, and then you should be good to go on that front as well.